Hi, this is Jeff Parker from Monolith Software. So today I have a blog post due, and I figured, as opposed to writing it out, I'll go ahead and try to use a video. I'll post a video blog today. So recently I had a conversation in the past week with a friend of mine who went to work for one of the, probably the easiest way to think of it is a tier 2 management software provider. And in discussions with those guys, he explained that what they want to be considered is the leader in BSM for APM. So that's the leader in business service management for the application performance management space. And when I asked him who they wanted to compete with, he explained that they wanted to compete with the likes of, HP, IBM, CA, BMC, etc. And based on those discussions, we started talking a little bit about the APM space in general. And in terms of application performance management, the thing that I've come to find is in most of the service providers or large enterprises that we're talking with, they're looking for a comprehensive solution for their IT operations and data center management. APM is but one piece of it. So if you go back in time, there was software where people would do, service management around things like, whether DNS or DHCP or SMTP or HTTP was working. That was, again, just a feeder into an overall bigger solution set. Same thing with APM. These guys are looking for solutions where they can understand the full application hierarchy. They want to understand that if I have this core application, whether it be PeopleSoft or whatnot, PeopleSoft relies on this SAN, this fiber switch, these Ethernet switches, these routers, these load balancers, these security authentication points, and possibly encryption points, as well as the servers themselves, the databases that they run on. And then on top of that, yes, APM, yes, I want to be able to understand, the application response time metrics, so understand the, network flight time versus the PC or workstation time versus the server time in the whole equation. But again, that's just one feeder. So based on this conversation, again, that we talked about, he kind of got to a point where he agreed with the sentiments we had talked about, which is really, look, if you want to be able to sell to these big organizations, complete management solutions, and compete with the big guys, having a good APM solution is absolutely important and critical, but that is just such a small piece of the overall solution offering that they're looking for, which is really the ability to build out their service hierarchies and do availability performance, fault management, hierarchy management, correlation across that entire tree of technology dependencies versus just that idea of tracking application response time metrics or doing synthetic transactions. So anyways, this is the first video blog post I'm doing. Hopefully it works out pretty well. Thank you. Bye.